I think I messed up. Did you know ferrets can sneeze up to 20 times a minute? Buckle up, it's adorably ridiculous. Ferrets are the masters of sneezes. These fuzzy little creatures can sneeze up to 20 times in just 60 seconds. That's like a sneeze every 3 seconds. Imagine having a conversation with a ferret. Hey buddy, how's it go? Achoo! Eng! And get this, it's not because they have the sniffles, it's just how they roll. They might be clearing out dust or just being their quirky selves. Can you imagine if we humans sneezed like that? We'd need windshield wipers for our glasses. So, next time you're having a down day, just think about a ferret sneezing its heart out. It's like nature's little comedy show. Ferrets bringing joy one sneeze at a time. And remember, if you ever need a laugh, just look up ferret sneezing videos. It'll brighten your day, guaranteed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this with your fellow animal lovers. Stay sneezy, friends.